Good morning, students, and welcome back. So, in the previous class, we were discussing about the pregnancy and embryonic development. So, we discussed about the pregnancy and how the embryo development takes place. Okay, from first month to the up to 9 months. That is, 9 months is the duration of a pregnancy. Okay, so how the different organs develop during these 9 months that we have already discussed in the embryonic development. Okay, now what happened? Embryo has completely developed and it is ready to deliver. Okay, so that is today we will discuss about that. That is parturition and lactation. Okay, so parturition, that is giving birth, ಜನ್ಮ ನೀಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಜನ್ಮ ನೀಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? Parturition. Okay, that is delivery of the baby. Let us see how this delivery of baby or this parturition takes place. What are the changes will happen or occur, okay, in the body and all that we will discuss today. That is parturition. Fine. Okay, so as we know that pregnancy is of about duration of about 9 months. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ ಏನಂದರೆ ಗರ್ಭದ ಒಂದು ಅವಧಿ 9 ತಿಂಗಳದ್ದಾಗಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಗೆಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಒನ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ 1 mark question. What do you mean by gestation period? So gestation period is nothing but the pregnancy period, that is a 9 months duration, is known as a gestation period. Okay, next. So then what happens at the end of this pregnancy? At the end of a pregnancy, okay, that is after 9 months, what happens? Vigorous contractions, okay, starts or begins. Contraction ಅಂದರೆ ಸಂಕುಚಿತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಓಕೆ, 9 ತಿಂಗಳ ಗರ್ಭಾವಧಿ ಏನು ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ವಿಗರಸ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, that this contraction causes and results into the expulsion or delivery of the baby. Okay, at the end of 9 months what happens? Vigorous or stronger contraction ಅಂದರೆ ಸಂಕುಚಿತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಅದು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. and that results into the expulsion or delivery of the baby, and that process of delivery of baby is known as a parturition. Okay, so what is parturition? Parturition is nothing but giving birth, ಜನ್ಮ, ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಜನ್ಮ ಕೊಡೋದು. So at the end of pregnancy what happens? Vigorous or stronger contractions will start, and these contractions will result into the expulsion or delivery of the baby. Okay, and that process of delivery of baby is known as a parturition. I hope you are getting the things. This will also be asked for 1 mark. What do you mean by parturition? So parturition is nothing but the process of delivery of baby, okay, or expulsion of the fetus. Even you can say fetus. Okay, fine. Next. So now you know that parturition is delivery of or expulsion of baby. But how that takes place? What are the changes and what causes the baby to deliver? Okay, you see here the signals of parturition originates. So signals of parturition ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಜನ್ಮ ಕೊಡುವಂಥ ಸಂಕೇತಗಳು, ಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ದೇ ಒರಿಜಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ದ fully developed fetus. ಏನು ಆ ಯುಟರಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಂಬ್ರಿಯೋ ಅಥವಾ ಫೀಟಸ್ ಏನು ಭ್ರೂಣ ಏನಿದೆ ಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಈಗ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 9 months have completed, it has developed completely, all organs have formed. So then what happens, it develops signals of parturition. Okay, so the signals of parturition originates from the fully developed fetus. Okay, further you see here, next at the same time what happens, the placenta, it induces mild uterine contractions. You see here, as you know, we have already discussed the structure of placenta. It is a functional and structural unit that makes a link between the developing fetus and that of the mother, isn't it? So this placenta, it induces mild contractions, mild uterine contractions. ಪ್ಲಾಸೆಂಟಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಆ ಸಣ್ಣಗೆ ಮೈಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದೊಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಯುಟ್ರೈನ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಏನು ಯುಟ್ರಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಆ ಯುಟ್ರಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ಸಂಕುಚಿತಗೊಳ್ಳಲು ಅದು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಇದರಿಂದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಾಸೆಂಟಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಫೀಟಲ್ ಇಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ the placenta, it induces mild uterine contractions, and that is known as a fetal ejection reflex. Okay, what is a fetal ejection reflex? Fetal ejection reflection is nothing but the mild contraction of uterine which is caused or induced by the placenta. Okay, so that is one thing. Okay, further you see, this fetal reflection ejection, it triggers or it leads to the release of oxytocin. Okay, so this fetal ejection reflection, it triggers or it results into the release of oxytocin. That is one of the hormone, and this it results or triggers, okay, the secretion or release of oxytocin from where, from a maternal pituitary. Okay, so placenta ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, it induces the what is that minor or mild uterine contractions which are called as fetal reflex. What is that? Fetal ejection reflex. And this fetal ejection reflex, it triggers or it results into the release of oxytocin from the maternal pituitary. Pituitary is a gland, maternal means from mother pituitary glands. Okay, so further you see what happens because of this and further this oxytocin, it acts on the uterine muscles. So the oxytocin which is released from the pituitary of maternal, okay, body, ತಾಯಿಯ ಒಂದು ಪಿಟ್ಯೂಟರಿ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಗಳಿಂದ ಗ್ರಂಥಿಗಳಿಂದ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆದಂತಹ ಈ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಟಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಇಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಯುಟರೈನ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ stronger this uterine contractions. So you see, the oxytocin, it acts on the uterine muscles and that results into the stronger contraction of this uterine. Okay, and this uterine contraction and secretion of oxytocin, this continues. Now you see what is happening. One is stronger uterine contraction is taking place, and second one is a release of oxytocin from the maternal pituitary is taking place. So both these things they continue. So the uterine contractions and secretion of oxytocin they continues, and it results into the stronger and stronger contractions. You see, uterine contraction ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಹೆರಿಗೆ ನೋವು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಹೆರಿಗೆ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಜನ್ಮ ನೀಡುವಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಹೆರಿಗೆ ನೋವು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ this what is as stronger and stronger uterine contractions. Okay, so because of that what happens that this leads to the expulsion of baby from the out of uterus. Okay, this stronger and stronger contractions of uterine contractions that results into the expulsion or release of baby or fetus out of the uterus, okay, through the birth canal, that is called as the parturition. You see, so this is how the parturition takes place. Okay, you see, parturition is nothing but the process of giving birth to the fetus or young one. Okay, so the stronger and stronger this uterine contractions that results into the expulsion of baby out of the uterus, because the uterus is there in the the baby is there in the uterus. So these stronger and stronger contractions, uterine contractions that expel or leads to the expulsion of or release of this baby out of the uterus. How? Through the birth canal. We have already discussed that birth canal is nothing but cervix and this vagina. Okay, cervical canal and vagina, they make the what is that birth canal. So now what happened, the baby or fetus is expelled out of the uterus through the birth canal, and that is known as parturition. That is called as parturition. So this is how the parturition takes place. Okay, so we conclude here, and we will discuss about this lactation tomorrow's class. Okay, I hope now you are clear with parturition. Understand it clearly. Parturition is nothing but the process of delivery of the baby. Okay, so we conclude here, and thank you.